What up, y'all? Randy Silver, Leap of Fate. I just got into an app called Clubhouse 2 days ago. It's a social media app, audio only. It is so sick. It is so cool. It's about to change the game, I promise you. Let me just describe it as I show it to you. I took some videos of what I was doing, so no need to waste time. Let's describe it. As you can see right here, this is the home screen. On the home screen, you can see all the different rooms that you can join. You pick your interests, your topics, and when people are in those rooms talking, you can see it. It'll show you different times of rooms that are going on. Of course, you can schedule your own rooms as well. As you scroll down, you can see all the rooms I want to be. We have sports, podcasting, social media, successful moderation in Clubhouse. It is so cool. You can pick whatever interest you want. Inside the rooms, you can interact with anyone. Everyone gets a chance to speak. You go on stage as a moderator. You get a chance to get up there. People are hosting it to make sure no funny business is happening. So it's really easy. Think of it as like an Xbox room. Think of a Discord as an app on your phone. It is still in its beta phase, so if you haven't heard about it, don't worry about it. It's going to be getting bigger like TikTok very soon. Here's the bio. As you can see in the bio, you have so much room to put whatever you want. You can put emojis so people can go in and see it. Obviously, you see your followers and following. You pick your name. So if you aren't on it yet, download the app. It's only on iOS, to be honest. So they want to put it out for Android so you can save your name. It shows you who invited you to the app as well. And then if you invite people, they can see it. You can see here, my friends, Adele. You can see other people who are following, so that way you can pick people you want to follow, see who your friends are following, and start adding people. You will be able to really get into the bio. You can link your Instagram on the bio. You can link your Twitter on the bio, which is super big as well. Here you can see other people's followers, so you can see, hey, again, if I want to follow other people, if there's someone who's really big, so we'll click into somebody right here, and you can really see everything you do. This is awesome because obviously in Instagram, Twitter, your bios are very limited. This lets you put so much in there so people can see everything you do, what makes you the expert knowledge master you want. You can see again the mutual follows going into different people, just trying to give you an example. As I said, it's still in beta phase, so if you haven't heard about it yet, don't worry about it. Go download the app on the iOS. It's really important to get your name, whatever that is. You can talk about your business, your side hustle, your passion, your sports, everything you want. So now we're going to go in. I'm going to show you how you can find people. If you're interested in the NFL, you could find people potentially in the NFL who are on the app. You can also type in NFL so you can join the club. A club is the interest, so you can host your own room, or you can join the club, which is everyone who's interested in it. And then if you can get to that point, you can start your own club and start inviting people there as well. As you know, Gary Vee is on it. Very influential person. So just showing you there's a lot of people out there who are using it. I was on a room with 3 mayors of all these big cities in the US talking about coronavirus. As I'm showing you right here, you can link your Instagram and Twitter so people can find you and DM you. They're going to add the DM feature later. They said in the town hall yesterday. Other people I've seen on it, I've seen celebrities like Terry Crews. I've seen so many people that are just really influential in the social media game, the influencing game, sports, industry, everything like that. This is where you'd be able to invite people on Clubhouse. I used my 2 invites already. You only get 2 invites to start, so I don't have any invites right now, but this is where I would be able to see people. You would see contacts on your phone to go ahead and invite them. Be very careful if you get in. You only get 2 invites, so it's very important to make sure that they're going to be used. This is where you can see your calendar, what events are coming up that you want to be a part of. If you want to host an event, we'll show in a second. So this is where you know, hey, let me go ahead and see what's happening on the app so I can log in. Now we'll see, hey, these are all the up and coming events overall. So it's really important, again, if you want to find other events that you don't know about. This is just showing you all the events out there on the app. So that way you can find new interests, find like-minded people. These are the events that I'm hosting. I'll show you how to host in a second. So around stress management, podcasting, sales leadership, UFC, big UFC fan. So I can start inviting people to these, have other moderators invite people as well, which will be key. You can also link it to your calendar, so that way you know on your phone, hey, it's coming in. It's very easy for you to go ahead and not miss when your events are. Now you can see that we're going ahead to create an event, test 1, 2. I can invite people to be a co-host if I want, put the date of the event, date and time so you can schedule it out. And of course you got the bio of the event so you can put a blurb. Make the name of the event something catchy so people are going to see it and they're going to want to go in. Of course, in the bio as well, you want to make it something that people are going to resonate with. If you're part of clubs, you can make the event inside the club as well, so everybody in that club will be notified. So if they want to be part of it, they'll be able to as well. This is your activity feed, so you can see everything that's happening, your activity, people who are following you, stuff that's getting put on the event, everything like that. So this is the overall thing. Lastly, you can see the different people available, what clubs are active, so you know when to join, people to reach out to, and just make connections. It's a great way for you to network with people, meet like-minded people. Again, it's voice only, so you're not sharing photos, you're not sharing videos. You're out there really trying to make the connections and learn and grow. I've met people who are in real estate who are meeting with clients, photography, meeting with clients. Personally, for me, I've met people who want to be on my podcast, so it's been really, really beneficial to help network and grow yourselves. A lot of millionaires are on there giving out really, really good free advice as well. Talk about how to market yourself, brand yourself, move yourself to the next level. And it's nothing that has ever happened before. Usually you got to pay for that, read people's books. This is free. Now, again, you can't really record rooms. Unfortunately, you'll get kicked off. They don't want the audio out. So this is me just doing a quick recording on a second phone. You can see the room. You have the room open. You can go into the rooms and pick what room you want to be in, which is awesome. At the top of the room, you have moderators. Those are the people who are able to speak. Obviously, you're muted, so you can speak one-on-one. When you're unmuted, you get to speak. If you're in the crowd, is what they call it, audience, you can raise your hand, ask to go on stage. You mute yourself when you're on stage, and then the moderator will have you speak. So it gives you the opportunity to, one, just listen to people if you don't feel comfortable so you can learn and grow, take notes. If you feel like you're an expert and you want to contribute, you can ask to get on stage and people will let you on stage. You can see right here, this one was like 400, 500 people deep. Learning from influencers, what worked for them, what didn't work, so you can able to grow. There are chat rules as well, so you know what the rules are, what you can talk about, what you can't talk about. If you're going to break the rules, it'll get you kicked off the app. So this is why Clubhouse is super cool. It's a brand new app. It's something out there that has never really been like this before, where you download the app and you have the instant connection to celebrities, people worldwide, all over at the touch of your fingers. If you haven't been in, again, don't worry, it's still in this beta phase. Try to download the app, see if someone will give you a token to get in, save your name, and have fun. Have fun. It's going to change the game, I promise you. It's a really, really cool app. It's out there, innovating the game. You're not late whatsoever. It's still blowing up. There's only like 1.5 million people on there. So it's going to be something that is going to continue to grow. Thank you for listening to me. Please like, subscribe if you like this video. Please get the notifications for new videos that come out. Please check out the channel Leap of Faith. My name is Randy Silver. Get on the app and see you in the Clubhouse.